What's the meaning of cottaging? Cottaging. Cottaging.
Cottaging. Cottaging. Cottaging is a slang term used to describe the act of seeking anonymous sexual encounters in public restrooms, particularly among gay men. The term originated in the United Kingdom, where this practice was most common. The result of cottaging can vary, but it often involves risky sexual behavior that can lead to health complications and legal consequences. Additionally, cottaging perpetuates harmful stereotypes about the LGBTQ+ community and contributes to the stigmatization of queer individuals. It is important to prioritize safe and consensual sexual practices and to reject harmful societal norms that promote dangerous behavior.